gateway to seamless operations. Start by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play. It's the first step to revolutionizing your workflow. Once downloaded, use your provided login credentials to access the app. This ensures a secure and personalized experience, setting the stage for efficient logistics management. Logging in as an easy logistics driver is straightforward. Simply tick the checkbox and tap Login. This step is crucial for accessing all the app's features tailored for your role. To start your journey, tap the Welcome button. This initiates navigation, guiding you through your tasks. Accept jobs efficiently by navigating to the Receive Jobs section and tapping Accept Job. Master the pickup process with ease. At the pickup location, tap at Pickup, confirm Loading Done, and then Done. This ensures every step is documented accurately. Capture proof of loading by uploading an image and collecting a digital signature. Repeat this process for delivery confirmation, ensuring every detail is accounted for. Stay informed by monitoring job status updates. Once you arrive, check if the status updates to Arrived. Confirm delivery status in the Delivered tab to finalize your tasks. Celebrate the completion of your job with the Etmatix app. Once delivered, the job will show as completed. Thank you for using Etmatix, and drive safe.